Story Life Media, and if you can hear me,
And you can hear him?
today we're at day 2 of the Showdown. All right, Base Wars, the Showdown in Laughlin, Nevada. And I didn't even know it was gonna be day 2. I thought it was just 1, but I was like, all right, I'm gonna stay, bring you guys some more content. So let's get this going, and as always, let's see what they talk about. Let's get it. Yo!
Man, these cars are crazy. Did you see that?
Hey, so we was told to come over here, all right, by this dude right here. Man, and I like hearing new builds, but he's trying to do us dirty. All he said was this is nasty. So let's check it out.
What is it? 812.
812. I see a DC audio van, all right, van. And people are surrounding it, so let's see what this talk about. Look at this. About to get a demo in this, the DC audio van. You serious?
I didn't even see it.
Oh, you're tripping. Yeah.
Hell no, I'm a
Damn. How many is that? With 2, what, 4, 8, 16?
24. It's even on both sides.
24.
That's
Damn. Are these 12s?
12.
24 and 12s. 20.
That's the same thing he got.
24 and 12s. Woo.
So what all you're gonna want to have to need to do is probably just hit the back arrow button on the deck so it restarts that song.
Okay.
Yep, that one right there.
Like to go fast anywhere, Lamborghini, like the Knight Rider.
That was great.
It pushed the spit out of my mouth. Man. Oh. Got your own air conditioning.
You can do it from the inside. Just give it a easy
Damn.
push.
Hey, you're trapped.
Oh, shit,
You're trapped. You gotta go home. This is crazy, man. For real. Check this out. Like I said, we got people coming from everywhere. Tell people what your name is, how they can find you, and where you drove out from.
My name is Marco Martinez. I came from Hobbs, Mexico, about 13 and a half hours away. Facebook, under my name, Marco Martinez. I really don't do social media. I should, but I don't. That's how it is, man. We're out here representing New Mexico out here.
Hell yeah. Hey, a true basehead. Drove all the way out from Hobbs, New Mexico. All right? Look at this. All right. It's wild. It's already the camera. Yeah. And if you had any questions, his license plate will tell you. Too loud. That's so dope. All right, so look, he doesn't think that I can fit in his car, but I'm gonna sit forward and make it happen. Let's get a demo. All right, look at this, look at this. No, I'm playing. All right, we're in the Camry. Tell everybody what you have in here.
I got a 4 DC Audio Neo 4.0 15s running on 4 DC Audio 9Ks. I got their coaxial mids with the horns, Neos. Got 8 of them, 4 in each door, running on a 250.4 and a 90.4 DC Audio.
You do the math on that? 4 9Ks, 36,000 watts. On what, 4 15s?
On 4 15s.
And you see, they're right here behind me. We're right here, so, all right, let's get it. Hey, hold on. You didn't tell me it was gonna be hard to breathe. Dude, you guys saw me coughing and choking.
It's not hard for me.
Damn. Yo. Hey, okay. Once again, tell everybody what your name is.
Marco Martinez. I'm on Team DC Audio. Just out here, you know, doing my thing, showing people the love of the bass game, for sure.
Hey, he drove out from New Mexico and definitely represented. I was not expecting that. Yeah, I'm like, now I kind of want to go get somebody else to come over here. Hold on, I'm gonna go get my home.
I'll be here all day long.
Oh my God, yeah, he's gonna be the demo king. This is wild. All right, y'all, let's keep it going.
Like that, Chuck?
I think it's dead.
Let me out this little. I'm good. God damn.
Dog, that's what I'm saying. I was coughing, and yeah, like. Yeah. Hey, so clean. All right, look at this Escalade. Yeah. All right, well, let's get a demo right now. No, okay, so please tell people what your name is and how they can find you.
Oh, I'm Allison with Gately Audio. This is a build by Bobby Gately at Gately Audio. It's the Soulgasm, owned by Byron Shambliss. Byron couldn't be here at the Showdown this year, so we brought it here and are demoing it today and this weekend. And we've got 12 15s. They're Gately Audio Relentless 15s in the back, running on about 60,000 watts. This is the 6th order. We've got a double windshield up here from our friends at NSA with red windows. We've got a stripper pole.
Yeah.
This is a 6th order fan pass. You can see the port right above the Soulgasm emblem back there. We've got Warpath lithium batteries both here and underneath the amp rack. We're running Gately Audio amplifiers in the back, and Bobby designed the amplifier rack and Steve Green cut it out for us.
It's beautiful. It's a beautiful truck. Yeah, I was over here. What's it called? Soulgasm?
Soulgasm.
Hey, that's some philosophical. That's deep right there.
You let us know how you feel at the end of the demo. And you tell me if it's
Let's get it.
Alright, I'm gonna give you.
I want this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You're about to get it.
Yeah.
You're speechless? My God.
I have a lot to say, it's just, it wasn't really coming out. It wasn't.
It's hard to articulate sometimes.
Man, thank you so much. I think I'm saying thank you. Oh, and it's two of them.
Excuse me, 9-8.
Took a breath away. It took a breath away. Man, this, you've heard this one?
I got the first one.
God, thank you. So one more time, tell everybody your name and then how they can find you.
You can find us on social media, Gately Audio, or gatelyaudio.com. We have a YouTube channel, Bobby Gately, all of the above.
You guys see the link. Make sure you follow them. Make sure you like and see what they have going on. And if you want to build something like this, give them a call for sure. Most definitely give them a call. I want this. I really do. Quick reminder, if you haven't done so yet, please like and subscribe. That helps me out a lot with the algorithms and lets more people see these videos, see these events, and it gets the content out there. And if you would like to help me by donating to the channel or by supporting the channel, go ahead and send me a cash app. If you'd like to send me a couple bucks or something like that, greatly appreciate it. It's $ Import Life Media. And what that's gonna do is that's gonna help me get gas, travel, pay to get into these events, parking, things like that, man, so I can continue bringing you more and more good content. Try my best to show you some stuff that you guys ain't never seen before. $ Import Life Media, if you would like to donate to the Cash App. Yeah, if you don't want to do that, at least like and subscribe. Let's keep it going. Let's get it. All right, man. He said, let me see if I could play this one without breaking anything. He usually runs four subs. He has 3 right now. But this truck is vicious. Toyota Tacoma.
Next trick.
I think I just blew a sub. No, I think something's crackling back there.
He called it and he did it. I mean, I'm not happy that he did it, but he said, let's hope I don't break something. Damn. Already off top, about to get a demo right now, the F-150. Here's what's so funny about it. Alright. Okay, I mean that's cool, you know, kind of funny, but then I saw this. Kind of scared. You want me to sit on this?
Hell yeah. Don't be scared.
Alright. Oh.
Not my real phone.
Well, first, tell people your name and how they can find you.
My name's Todd Wheeler. I'm from Seattle, Washington. Traveled 1,300 miles to the show. I'm on Facebook, but that's about it.
Alright, now tell everybody what you have in here.
I have 8 XL Elite DC Audio 12s on 2 DC Audio 9Ks wired at half ohm. A crap load of DC Audio.
Dude. Seattle, Washington, drove it all the way down. This thing is solid. I will tell you that. The seat's solid, looks like the dash, but there's gonna be some shaking and some rumbling.
Maybe.
You put this together, you built this yourself.
Yeah, 100%. I had help from a couple of buddies, but 95% of it was me.
Built it himself. Built it himself. That's
I ain't rich.
Dude, but the amount of work that is in here.
Sorry, connectivity around here is garbage.
Alright, here we go. Big Daddy, Import Live, represents basic community. I get to sign it because I got through a demo. Hey, my ass is about ready. Like, it still feels like it's shaking right now. Thank you. Appreciate you.
Yep.
Hell yeah. Man. Don't say you can't accomplish nothing on your own. Perfect proof right here. Everybody's heading out, everybody's clearing out. I met so many cool people, saw so many dope builds, and meeting a lot of new individuals from everywhere. Florida, Ohio, New Mexico, Oregon, Washington, like they came from everywhere, Mississippi. And I don't know, man, amongst the community, I consider these people my friends. Everybody's clearing out now, but it was a really, really, really dope event, well put together, an enjoyable weekend. If you haven't done so yet, please like and subscribe. And also, if you would like to donate and help out with me taking these trips, me giving you all this video content and amazing footage, $ Import Life Media. That's the Cash App. $ Import Life Media. And with that money, like I said, it's gonna go to gas, paying for events, parking, getting in, traveling, maybe possibly hotels, depending on where I'm going. I'm in Laughlin, Nevada right now, so who knows where I'll be next. Gotta always leave you with something positive and something to look forward to. Do your best. Do your best to make today better than yesterday and make tomorrow better than today. All about progression, all right? Moving forward. Make today better than yesterday, make tomorrow better than today. All right, y'all. I love you guys, man. Stay blessed. Appreciate it.